Good morning and welcome to another episode. Today's video isn't quite what I wanted it to be because I'm having some boat troubles already. Now, I already knew what was kind of going on with the motor. Basically, this morning I came in and instead of doing and starting it outside of the water, I decided to put it in the water. And what's happening, I decided to take it out of the water to do some work on it. What's happening is I believe that the motor needs a slight tune-up. So this lever here is basically high idle, and then in order to shift it into gear, you have to bring it all the way down to low idle. And as soon as it gets past like 1500 RPMs, it just stalls out. And I've been talking to a few people and they say, you know, the two-stroke engine that you have just basically needs a tune-up. The carburetors need to be cleaned out. And just kind of just a general tune-up on it, but it runs in idle, and I knew this going into it when I was looking at the boat. It actually worked when it was hooked up to earmuffs, but it doesn't work right now. So I thought today we would get it running and we could go for some cool boat/drone footage, but that is not going to be happening today because I need to get the engine running. So I thought that today we could do just like a little mini tour. I don't want to do too much of a video today because this is my only day off, or day off for the week, and then I go back to work Monday, tomorrow. And so I kind of want to spend the day of sunshine working on the boat. But basically, this is the boat. I don't even know what kind of boat it is. I could probably look into the paperwork, but I believe it's a 16-foot boat, and like I said in the video yesterday, I got it for $1,300. So I was thinking about going to take it for a sea trial and getting all this fixed before I bought it, and then I went, oh, for $1,300 you really can't go wrong. And the reason you can't go wrong is that the guy that sold it to me is an older gentleman, and I think he's just getting out of it altogether. He gave me some ocean fishing rods. He gave me a brand new, I think it's called Humminbird fish finder. He said he paid $800 for it. He gave me all of his, some of it's in my storage locker right now. He gave me his tackle boxes, which was full of lures, all the fishing stuff you need. He just bought a brand new battery, all of like fluids and tools to work on the boat. He gave me life jackets. What else did he give me? Oh, he gave me this really neat, it's a big battery pack. It's like a marine battery pack, and you charge it up and you bring it on the boat with you, and it's got an air compressor on it. It's got, of course, it can boost your battery. It also comes with a radio, like a marine radio, which completely works. It comes with a brand new bilge pump, which is right behind the gas tank here. It comes with a fuel filter that he had installed. There is a tank of gas for the main motor here, and then also up front underneath there's a tank of gas as well for long trips, and he's got a switch installed. All new wiring, which you can see the brand new box right there. I inspected the hull. The hull looks really good. I walked on the floor. There's no soft spots except down here. There's a little bit of damage down in this corner, but other than that, no soft spots. The transom, I believe it's called, on the back, very solid, very sturdy. I haven't yet tried to get this working, but if it does work, I mean, there's $600 right there. The GPS, you could probably sell it for $500, and the trailer alone, other than the leaf springs and some rust back in here, the trailer is actually in really good shape. I mean, I'm sure for just that trailer you could get $200-300. So on that note, I was like, you know what, I'll take it as is. We fired up the engine. The engine worked. But like I said, it actually did it for him. He put it in to just low idle, and he kicked it over, and it worked, and reverse worked as well. But today it's not working for me. So I know it works. I just think that it's been sitting so long. He said it's been sitting for about a year. The last time he had it out was last summer, and so the engine just kind of needs a tune-up. But this is it, guys. Oh, one other thing that I forgot. I think I actually told you in the last video. Oh, I cut myself already. It's been an interesting morning. 2 Scotty downriggers, which I believe a downrigger is going for a few $100s at least. So just with, and it comes with all of, sorry, I know I'm rambling. This is not really the videos I usually do, but just what I'm gonna do today. You know, he's got all this stuff. Like, he's got weights for the downriggers, nets. 2. So I could sell everything in this boat and probably make $2,000 and still have the boat, which is pretty incredible. And it's perfect timing right now because summer is right around the corner, and so I've got a couple months or a couple weeks to work on it, get it running, and then come summertime it'll be running. Now I probably won't have too many days off, but I definitely will have a few days off, probably 1 every week, and take the boat out and do some fishing. It's set for it. I've literally have everything to go out. It's just not turnkey. So figure out the turnkey and then we'll go out fishing. I thought we could do some fishing today, but no. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna work on the engine, and I'll get back to you in a little bit with either a yay or nay. If it does turn over and starts to work, we'll get it in the water, but kind of running out of daylight soon, so we'll see what happens. Thank you for listening to my ramble. I hope that you enjoyed the boat tour. Of course, there's going to be many more videos of the boat in action, and it just opens up a whole new dynamic to this channel because I mean, truck camper and camping adventures are amazing, but you add a boat on top of that, that's what I call living the dream. It's clicked all the way down, but it's just like on the verge of stalling. So I thought I had it, but as soon as I brought it in the water, so it probably just needs a tune-up. It was doing it on land, but I don't think the earmuffs simulate the pressure of the water. Like, maybe it's harder to suck up the water when it's in the actual, like, submerged. So I've had fun sitting in it. It's cool to be sitting in here. When it rains, I can put the canvas up. But I think I'm gonna have to book an appointment in and around here and get her in for a little tune-up / check-in, check-up. And that's it for this video, guys. I'm sorry, I wish I could have went boating today, but it's just not how it went. So hope that you guys are having a great day, and I'm so excited to get this thing running. Many more videos of the boat and boat activities in the future. Keep living that dream. Until next time, my friends, take care and bye-bye.